Good morning, everyone. My name is Molly, and I'm a bioscience student here at the RVC. So today I'll be showing you a little bit about my far from ordinary life at RVC. So first of all, whenever I don't sleep in, I wake up at 7 a.m., eat a huge breakfast, and take a couple of hours to choose out an outfit and then change the outfit yet again. So then after that, I leave the house at around 8:30 and walk to the uni because I only live less than 15 minutes away. Today is Wednesday, and luckily for us, that means we have a half day of lectures and we have the rest of the afternoon to do whatever we like. So today I only have one lecture, a lab, and a point-to-point. My favourite out of all of them has got to be the lab because it's not every day you see your head of year attempt to hold a breath in front of the whole class in a nice bucket of water. Anyways, enough of the boring stuff. Every day is different. For example, today I needed caffeine just to get through the lectures this morning. And then also, Asian Society was celebrating Chinese New Year, so there was dumpling making in the cafeteria, which I became part of, which was handy because I forgot my lunch. Another really unusual aspect of RVC that I love is that every day is different, as I mentioned. Today, for example, I was handing out Valentine's Day chocolates on behalf of the Boat Club, which I am a member of. That was extremely embarrassing because it looked like I had a crush on every guy that I bumped into. Sport plays such an important part of my life in university. I work at the gym every day after lectures. I start with the treadmill, sometimes a row machine if I can face it, the bikes, and then I move on and do some gym next door. I'm actually hoping to have the six-pack that Chris Hemsworth has, but everyone keep that a secret, please. Not only does gym allow you to de-stress from the lectures during the day and get fit, but it also allows you to build so many more connections with people in your year and in other years, as well as different cohorts of people. For me, gym is a great way to not only get fit and burn off the late night McDonald's meal followed by an ice cream sundae, but to also build more connections with students on your course, but also other ones like the Animal Wildlife one, the Vet Med programs, and the graduate one. So you're also making friends with people of all different ages. It has also been really beneficial for me learning the skills and exercise at the gym. For example, the press-ups that you will see later on, which I do allow you to make fun of because they look horrendous, but also to build networks in the veterinary field. I mentioned earlier on in this video that I'm a member of Boat Club. We are a small club with just enough men for a guy's crew. By the way, guys, recruitment alert. Any offer holder guys, don't join rugby. Boat Club needs you more. Anyways, Wednesday afternoons are always half days or full days off lectures, so this is when we tend to train along with Saturday mornings. Sessions are always in the dirtiest part of the Thames by Chiswick, and we train alongside UCL, King's, Barts, George's, pretty much all of the hospital clubs in London. Boat Club is a great opportunity to meet and mix with people from different sorts of courses instead of vets, which can be quite a big breath of fresh air in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also I hope to see you at Boat Club.